2 square plus 4 times 6 over 4. Our goal is to find the value of this fraction. Are you ready to solve? Let's go down to start it. First, instead of this fraction, we can write parentheses, the numerator 2 square plus 4 times 6 divided by denominator, which is 4. Now we have these parentheses and this division. Inside this parentheses, we have one exponent, one addition, and one multiplication. According to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. Okay, so first we have to do this parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have to do this exponent. Okay, so first 2 square, which gives us 4. So parentheses 4 plus 4 times 6 divided by 4. Inside this parentheses, we have one multiplication and one addition. In PEMDAS, multiplication comes before addition. So now we have to do this multiplication. 4 times 6 gives us 24. So parentheses 4 plus 24 divided by 4. Now 4 plus 24 gives us 28. Okay, so 28 divided by 4, which gives us 7. And this is our final answer to this problem.